Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. And, guys, before I move on to this, I just want to mention to you all that today's swing trades, day trades, and hopefully our current positions will work out for us again. But the trading in PSE13.com, guys, I can't speak highly enough of it. The group is awesome. The members are awesome, guys. I absolutely love trading in the group. And what I want to say is that if you're a beginner, an intermediate trader, or from any skill level, and you've always wanted to be part, you have always wanted to be a part of a trading community where you don't have to dish out thousands of dollars to have access to it, then I recommend you check out my website, guys, pse13.com. I guarantee you that you're gonna like it, guys. And if you don't, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, guys. So again, check it out, pse13.com, guys. And hopefully you're able to join and become part of this wonderful trading community, guys. I truly and highly recommend it. So anyways, let's get right to it, guys. So from yesterday's video, you saw me post a few holds that we had, and one of them was AVGR. I'm not gonna go into detail like yesterday on it, so I'm gonna go right into the trades. For the purpose and the reason of keeping this video short, I'm gonna leave a lot of detail out, but I promise you that on the next one I'm gonna give more detail. I'll probably focus just on one or two trades, but for now, let's get to it, right? So AVGR, we held it from yesterday because it held support around that 60-cent level. We entered at 68 cents. Today I got out at 75.50. Other members around there as well. So another successful swing trade, guys, on the PSE13.com website and the WhatsApp group, my original WhatsApp group, guys, which also traded this one. So AVGR, guys, another successful swing trade from the PSE13 community. AVGR, and then another one from yesterday's video, FSL. Again, I mentioned this one yesterday that we were holding it. We got in at $3.06. And why? Well, because yesterday in the video I told you that I was making this higher lows. You see the trend here, right? And then we've got this little kind of a ascending triangle, ascending wedge forming, right? So we got that $3 resistance level, as you can see with this red line. That's a $3 level where it's being rejected. So it comes and tested again, and now we see that it broke through and it gave us a great return, guys, and it was awesome. From 306, I think I exited at 336 or 338 actually. I didn't get the whole move to 350. I'm a very conservative trader, and I really don't like holding to see what happens when I'm already up a good bucks on it. So another successful swing trade, guys. And the beauty part about this, again, if you're a beginner and if you don't have those 25,000 to have unlimited day trades, if you trade here in the US, then swing trading is another way to avoid that pattern day trading rule, which everybody hates. So we've been managing to have successful swing trades very consistently, guys, and it saved us a lot on day trades. I do have small accounts where a lot of the swing trades take place. I do have a day trading account, so you know we've got a little bit of both things going on. But I do want to let you know that I am mainly a swing trader. So that's my go-to trades. I am not a very active trader or day trader during the day. I only trade the day trades that I trade are only A+ setups, and you know I'm very particular about what criteria it needs to meet so that I can jump into the day trade. Anyways, so FSL was another swing trade, guys, and another one that we had was TRXC. This one was a failed trade, and not because it's not gonna work. It's still on watch, but it triggered our stop loss, and we got to stick to the rules like I've mentioned before. If we're down 3 to 5%, we let it go. We come back in if it starts reversing, but this one just shook us out. It stopped us out, and as you can see here, it had this big push, and it seems to be staying on there. I do have alert set here in case it starts coming back up. So this one's still on watch. It still has potential, but we'll see what happens, guys. TRXC failed so far, a failed swing trade. And I did mention Watt. This one we were not holding overnight. It was just AVGR, FCell, and TRXE. It was only 3 stocks that we were holding overnight. 2 of them were winners. 1 of them failed, which was TRXE. So Watt, yesterday I mentioned that it had a really good setup for a swing trade. We unfortunately didn't get to swing trade it, but we day traded it today. Let me take it to the 1 day 3 minute, guys. So it did make this big push up to 482, right at pre-market open. Then during pre-market, right before open, members were asking if we would enter at 410, and I said no. We need to make sure that it's gonna hold that 4 level. It came back down as it was coming back up during this candle. I put a limit buy at 409. I got filled, and then all of a sudden my charts weren't loading on TOS. If you have a TOS platform, the Thinkorswim platform, you might have experienced that it hasn't been working properly since Monday. And then this morning my charts were very slow to load. So it kind of started, blanking me out, and I couldn't see. So I was asking the members in the community, and this is what's great about trading the community. As they were telling me that it was at 425 or so, I just got into my phone. I was able to just take profits. I sold. I closed my position right away, and it filled me at $4.27. So thanks to the community, I was able to lock in profits on Watt, even while Thinkorswim was lagging, guys. So again, that was awesome, and I appreciate the team for it. I couldn't have done it without them. So that was great. And I know I didn't catch the whole move. Again, it did make a bigger move, but I'm happy with the results that I have, and there are no regrets here, guys. There never will be. And moving on to the next one, guys, I'm gonna take you to a day trade, the day trade of the day. And this one, I called out for the break of 2, and I told them there might be a possible squeeze over the $2.17 level, which was pre-market high, and some members just took profits at the 220. Well, I'm talking here, and you're not seeing it was AESE. That's the stock, guys. So okay, so this is a pre-market high at $2.17. It started trickling back up, and I get to catch it here. I see this action. I see the action at the $2 level. Let me zoom in, guys, so we can see better. So right here, this is the $2 level. This is the 217 level, the pre-market high. So it starts making this move, and I get in at 195. Members get in at around the same level, 197, 198, $2. Again, I called it out for the break of 2, and I told them if it can get through 217, it's got a possibility of breaking out. Now, keep in mind that this is around close to lunch hour. So let me zoom out now. So we're holding through this, and then it starts breaking out. People start getting out at 220. I took profits right before 220, I believe at 217 or 218. And then my final take profit was at 228. Now, why did I take profits at 228, guys? Well, let me take you to the 1 year, 1 day, guys. And I'm gonna zoom in here. This is today's candle. So today's candle right here, you got the 180 SMA, and look at the level right here. You can see the level right there at the 280 SMA. It's $2.30. So I wanted to get out before, or maybe it wouldn't even get to 230. So I had a sell at $2.28, and that's where I got filled, and I was out of the trade. And that's the reason I took profits here, not because I didn't think it might continue going. I actually thought it could. But again, I'm a very conservative trader, and I took profits, and I'm very happy with my results. After this trade, I told the group, you know what, that trade made me hungry. I'm gonna take my lunch break already, and I always do take a lunch break, guys. I don't like trading during lunch hours, and this is what happened. If you wanted to continue trading this, this was what you could have looked at, guys. Again, I mentioned the pre-market high at 217. So if you were to draw a line there, that would be resistance that could become support, guys. So let's zoom in here. And as you can see, you got that 217, and that's exactly where it bounced. Not only that, you got your VWAP coming in, holding that or acting as support as well. So this was a perfect pullback play that you could have gotten into and gotten out of over here. So again, guys, I usually take my lunch breaks. I don't trade during lunch hour. It's okay that I missed this big push. Of course, no lunch should be even better than making money, but I have two daughters that are doing virtual school, so basically I am the lunch or the cafeteria guy, so I gotta get lunch ready for them, and you know that to me is more important than this in any case. So that's what happened, and unfortunately, again, it's gonna continue happening because I gotta tend to my daughters more than I need to tend to the market. That's not gonna change. AESE, and what we're holding, guys, and I'm just gonna keep it very short, and this is what we're holding, and this is one of the callouts from this is a former stock that we have traded. We day traded it here, and as you can see, it's flagging. It held support today at the 160 $1.60 level, and Brian called it out today for that bounce. We got in at 168. He took profits around 174 or so. He got out. I'm still holding, and I'm hoping it works. As if not, I'm not gonna hear the end of it. I know probably the group is gonna get on me for holding on it, but again, like I told them, it's still within the flag pattern. So for me, there's no reason to have sold it. So I'm still holding it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm looking for the break over 180, which is close to today's high. If it can do that, I'm holding, and then I'll take profits as soon as it breaks that level. So we'll see. We'll see, guys. I don't know. I just feel that it's got more to offer. In any case, hopefully I can just break even if it gives me a chance, if it goes south on me. Another one from yesterday's video, ACST, guys. I told you that this one was on watch for the break of 80 cents. Today it started making that move. We got in it. We're holding it for a swing trade again, as well as CSAM. Let me take you to a 1 day 3 minute, guys. So all day it started trading sideways. I had alerts here, and it triggered my alerts late in the afternoon. I announced it to the team, and I told them we just need for it to come and test that 80 cent level. We'll get in it. As soon as it hit this 80 cent level and tested it, I took a starter. I told the team I'm taking a starter. I added somewhere here, and right now I'm holding for a swing trade. I do not have a full position, a full swing trade position, which is usually smaller than a regular day trade position, but I am holding, I believe, close to a half-sized position. We'll see how it goes. I hope I'm not holding too much, but I like the way it broke out with volume, and I think it's got continuation coming. So we'll see. And again, another call out from Brian. So he had CSAN and ZAG. This one is his go-to stock. I believe he trades it continuously. He trades it often, and he saw this big move, and he called it out. He was in during the move. I had to wait for the pullback. I got in at 365, and right now I'm holding for a swing trade. Let me take you to the 1 year 1 day. As you can see here, it made this big move, and it's kind of right now it's kind of making this little higher lows with this kind of ascending wedge pattern that's forming. So that 4 level is critical. If it can break it, it can continue going all the way up to 470, 475 before that 180 SMA comes in and acts as resistance. So as you can see, that's where it got rejected, around the 4 level. So if it can break it, that's what we're looking for. And again, Brian has been a very active trader. He has his own trading style, but he is kind of learning how to control his callouts, and his callouts are really good. They work for him. They work for the group. When somebody finds a trade, he really goes in and he gives out the profit take levels and the stop out levels. So it's part of the community, and he's awesome, guys. We have awesome people in the community, in the trading group. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy the educational content. If you have any questions or anything, post them down in the YouTube video comments below. And again, guys, go check out psc13.com. If you want to be part of a trading community, this is it. Again, I want to ask you to like and subscribe the video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.